Bali history. Bali was inhabited by around 2000 BC by Austronesian people who migrated originally from Taiwan through maritime Southeast Asia. Culturally and linguistically, the Balinese are the two closely related to the people of the Indonesia archipelago, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Oceania. Stone tools dating from this time have been found near the village of Cekik in the island west. In the ancient Bali, 9 Hindu sects existed, namely Pasupata, Bhairawa, Siwa Siddhanta, Vaisnava, Bodha, Brahmana, Resi, Sora, and Ganapatya. Each sect referred a specific deity as its personal goddess. Balinese culture was strongly influenced by Indian, Chinese, and particularly Hindu cultures, beginning around the 1st century AD. The name Bali Dwipa or Bali Island has been discovered from various inscriptions, including the Blanjong Pilar inscription written by Sri Kesari Warmadewa in 914 AD. And mentioning Wali Dwipa. Here we carry a modified Balinese stamp, whilst wearing a Balinese crown as a Balinese traditional bride headdress and combining it with a modified Balinese dress so that the bride looks elegant and dignified like friendly and calm Balinese woman.